You gotta charge a plane.
Whoa, look how fast that's going.
Yeah, nobody really ever says anything to me. This is where I always park. That's the bus company.
Oh, he just skid his wheel.
Yeah, I heard that. There goes the helicopter. He's over there.
Oh, I see a plane.
Where?
I see a plane above the, you see the traffic light? You see a light flashing?
That might be the street light, I think. He's nowhere near. He's still the Southwest airliner. Right now, the Southwest airliner is above the ocean. You see? He's above the ocean, so he's coming in from that way. So we have to wait. He may not be here for a little. He may not be here for a little bit. Is the helicopter landing again?
Oh Lord. He's flashing a light over here.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
I know, but that doesn't mean nothing to us.
Why he's flashing a light over here?
He's going the other way, man. See, he's going the other way. See? He's trying to see where he's going, that's why.
No, he's landing again.
Yep. Yeah, but now you see, this guy is coming in from a different direction. He's going further out that way. Huh.
Or he's practicing.
Who? Him?
Yeah.
Did he just go back up?
No, he's trying to land. He's trying to land the straight way.
Oh, man.
It's not really working.
Looks like he's having a tough time.
He would get it.
I'm trying to see where the hell the Southwest is.
Helicopter person. Go around one more time and try.
Over there? Is that guy leaving?
Which one?
See that light over there?
Is it?
Is that guy leaving? Maybe. Do you see any plane lights? Oh, wait.
Where?
What is that over there in the distance? Far away? You see that?
Yeah.
Is that him, possibly?
Look on your thing.
I see it from here, but it's kind of hard to tell where he's at, though.
The helicopter person's coming back.
From this angle, it's kind of hard to tell if that's actually him or not. It might be. Yeah, he's coming in from the same direction.
So that means he has to land the plane this way.
He's got to go
and
that
then,
way and come back up this way.
Yep.
Yep. Look, he's leaving. Look.
Yep.
Yeah, he's leaving. Wow. Oh, there it goes. And there goes the helicopter again over there in the corner.
He's trying to land. His helicopter almost tipped down.
Yeah, I know. I saw that.
Whoa, they're getting ready for the big lights over there.
7734H is the tail number on this one.
I need to charge my phone.